So if you want to find out what might be the next possible price movement for Bitcoin and also for Ethereum, then you should definitely watch this video till the end, because in this video guys, I'm going to show you some very interesting scenario that might be playing out next for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So starting this analysis by looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a weekly time frame, we were already aware that getting rejection here from this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, we have to be very careful, because I have said you guys so many times in the previous Bitcoin price action. You can see here, whenever the price movement here ended up getting rejection from this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, this relief rally ending at this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level has always led to some very massive price correction. You can see here from 2013 and also from 2017. Take this Fibonacci retracement level from this swing high till this swing low. You can see again this relief rally, right, also ended exactly after reaching this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and then we saw an actual trend reversal, and not just only from 2013 2017 but also here from 2019. You can see here, if you take the Fibonacci from this swing high till the swing low level, this relief rally also ended exactly after reaching this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and after that we saw an trend reversal. So now in our case, if you look at this price movement also got a rejection exactly after reaching this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and now we are also seeing this price pullback type of scenario. So if this is going to unfollow just like here from 2019, 2017 and 2013, the price of Bitcoin could see some very bearish scenario in a weekly time frame, because right now in a weekly time frame we are getting a strong support around this 38,000 to 40,000, because we are aware around that level we were aware we had a very strong resistance line, right? And now the same resistance line acted as a support. So in a weekly time frame, 38,000, 40,000 is a very strong support line. Otherwise we could see again another pullback that could actually bring us around this 30,000 price level, because I said you on my previous video with this CPI indicator that 38,000 was the next potential target, and after 38,000, 30,000 could be on the line. And look at this guys, I showed you this chart on my previous video and said, hey, now since the price of Bitcoin has failed to find support around this 48,000 price level, where we might be heading next, I said you very loud and clear, this S2 line, the monthly S2 line from May, which was sitting around 38,700 price level, is going to be our next potential target. And look at this guys, the price came exactly at our monthly S2 line, got support, and now we are trying to stay above it. And again, if this support around this 38,000 is also going to get broken, then the next potential target is sitting around 30,000 price level. That's why I said you here in a weekly time frame, 30,000 could be also on the line if this support from this 38,000 price level is not going to be there, because in a daily time frame we are also aware the price here was actually forming this bearish scenario from Wyckoff. This is Wyckoff's distribution phase, and if this distribution phase is now going to start here, then you can see this does looks very bearish for Bitcoin. So let's see how these scenarios are going to play out for Bitcoin in the upcoming days. And also here for Ethereum guys, you can see. And also guys, I would really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds of your time and destroy that like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. And also guys, let me make you aware, BYBIT right now is providing around $1,610 deposit bash bonus, and this one is for limited time only. The only thing you have to do is sign up using my ref link down below. The sign up process would take you only 2 or 3 minutes of your time, and if you already have a BYBIT account and you want to claim this bonus one more time, then you have to create a new email address and follow this process one by one. Let me show you very quickly. After signing up, just go to promotion and click on the latest promotion, $1,610 reward up for grabs. Click on this. Here's how you can claim your bonus. $1,010 bonus for new users in the deposit bonus bash page, up to $100 in reward hub, and 500 worth of bonus are available in the referral program. Click on this deposit bonus bash, scroll downside, then you will see the reward table, how you can claim your bonuses, the rules and terms, and just click on join now. That's it guys. And now let's jump into our chart. So on my previous video, we did talk about this Ethereum price action using this rising trend line, because this rising trend line in the past Ether price action acted as a strong resistance. That's why we said, hey, if there is going to be any sort of a pullback, then the same rising trend line could be acting as a support. But look at this, price of Ether has now clearly left below this rising trend line, and now we could be heading towards the lower line area of this ascending channel, because you can see here this lower line area in the past Ether price action acted as a support. So now if this trend here is going to continue, then we are expecting this price of Ether to also see this 2600, 2700 price pull back here to the downside. And not just only because it is actually showing this bearish scenario, but if the price of Bitcoin is going to correct, then it's probably also going to pull the price of Ether along with it. Because right now, if you look at this in a 4-hour time frame, you can see here, guys. So in a 4-hour time frame, you can see, guys, what we can do is we can simply add this descending channel type of scenario, because we are aware that every time when we had this price pullback around the lower line area of this descending channel, we managed to see some very nice bounce. So right now, since the price of Ether is also around this lower line area of the descending channel, we might be expecting some sort of a price pullback here towards the 3100, 3200 price level. But if we are going to get a strong resistance here, because we are aware around this price level, we do have one very, very strong resistance line, because you can see here 3100, 3200 area. That was a very, very strong support area when the price was heading to the upside. And also here, when the price corrected, this same line acted as a support. But now, since the price of Ether is below it, the same line could be acting as a resistance here. And we could be seeing again another pullback here to the downside, because with this in a daily time frame, I said you, the lower line area could be our next potential target. That could be around 2600, 2700. And if you look at this here, you can also monitor the price structure. The next possible target could be around this 2600, 2500 price level. You can see here resistance, resistance. So any sort of a bigger pullback, this is where I will be looking for price action of Ether to find a very, very strong support, and maybe after that we could be seeing a very nice impulsive move to the upside. So these are some of the scenarios I thought sharing with you in today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.